Saying we good, man? We good? Now I'm mic'd up. Now I'm mic'd up. Now I gotta come like talk to you and figure that out. Like, it's better when the hype man's mic'd up. They'll be like, "What's the secret? What's the secret with the yellow socks? Is it the palm trees?"
You know, it's a reminder to stay loose.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Here we go, Tim.
Hey.
Here we go, Tim. Man, mic'd up like the NFL. This is crazy. I made it. Oh, okay. Ah, God. Oh, God. Ah! That's karma. It's karma for doing that to me. That's karma for doing that to me. My girl. So we're on camera. So, swag, totem pole. Good, side shuffle, arms active, arms active. Back pedal, hip, and hip. Sweep underneath the foot. Kick, drive back. Let's reach down and extend. Really try to extend through that leg. Quad and reach. Quad and reach. Rock the cradle. Get up on that toe, rock the cradle. Let's lunge. Reach, if you need to reach up. All right, guys, off the court, find a space. We're on the ground, hip series, 8 each, 8 each. There we go, once you've done 8 up, let's stand, let's stand. We're going for 5 jump squats. And then stride.